Hi guys, welcome to Urban Treats, where we show you easy recipes you can make at home. Today I want to show you my favorite go-to recipe when I have a super busy day and I just need a snack that's ready in a few minutes. Then I make tortilla omelettes. Tortilla omelettes are basically omelets that you can fill with anything you like, fused with tortilla, and they only take a few minutes to make. They're healthy and they're super nutritious. As always, the ingredients are in the description, and you can also check out our blog where we have more healthy recipes for you. Now, let's get started. This is a recipe I quite often make for lunch or as a quick snack. It's easy, it's quick when you have a really busy day, and it's nutritious and healthy as well. Now this is one portion for one person, and you're going to need 3 eggs, whatever fillings you prefer. I like to add some cheddar cheese and some turkey ham, and I'll also add a little bit of onion and tomato. Now here is what we do. Let's start off by breaking the eggs, because you can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. Here we go. Get all in there. We'll season this a little bit, some salt and pepper. There you go. And then we give it a whisk, combine it well. That's it. Set it aside. And we'll dice a little bit of onion. Now this is only for one omelette, so you won't need too much. I think 1/4 of an onion is more than enough for me. So we'll dice that a little. Here we go. That will do the trick. And I also have a little bit of garlic, because I just love garlic, and I'm just gonna dice this really fine, and I'll add that in with my onion. I'm not going to use the whole garlic. Whole garlic for one omelette might be a little bit too much. And that's it. Now, let's light up the pan. We'll go at a medium heat, and we'll add in 1 teaspoon of olive oil. That's it. And we'll add our onion on top of this with the garlic. There you go. And just give it a bit of a fry. Just get one of these here. There you go. And that's it. We'll just fry them until they're translucent. There you go. Fry that just a little. We don't want to burn it. Just soften them up and get them translucent. Now we add the eggs on top with our spice mix, and we'll just go and pour this right on top here. Now this omelette is going to cook, but before it does, I'm just going to take my tortilla and I will just place it on top, just like this. And when the egg sets, it's going to fuse with the tortilla, and then we're going to flip it around. Now, once the egg is set, we're going to flip it around so that the tortilla is facing down in the pan. And now we add our toppings. And I like to add cheddar cheese and some mozzarella cheese. Cheddar has a strong flavor, and mozzarella has a nice chewy texture, so I like to add a bit of both. There you go. We add a little bit of turkey ham or chicken ham. You can of course add any type of topping you want. I'm just trying to keep it healthy this week, so I'm just using healthy ingredients. There you go. And we let the tortilla brown a little bit on the bottom, and then we'll fold it. All right, the tortilla is brown, and we'll just fold this and it's ready. Let's get it out. Look at that. And one healthy tortilla omelette ready. Now I have a few cherry tomatoes from my garden, so I'm just gonna dice these a little up here and we'll add them. And that's it. Leave that whole. And that's it, ready. Let's go for the taste test. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you want to see more recipes like this one, make sure you click that subscribe and the bell button. Now it's time for the taste test. Here we go. I already know how this tastes because I have this quite often, but brilliant. A little of my cherry tomatoes and I'm good to go. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.